Hello students, welcome back to Nisha Academy video lecture. In our today's English literature lecture, we would continue with our first chapter, the three questions. Before continuing with our chapter further, first we will recall whatever we have learned up till now so that you get a rewind back. This is the summary of your first video lecture. The story relates to a king who had three questions. The three questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? To know the answer, he sent messengers to the kingdom, and the person who answered will be rewarded. He received various answers for his questions, but he was not satisfied with the answer. The king decided to ask the hermit. So in last lecture we studied he went to a hermit's place. Who is hermit? Hermit is a person who lives a simple life, is a very knowledgeable person, and gives us a good advice. In second video lecture, we studied that king went to hermit in a simple clothes, and he went to hermit's hut walking, left his horse ride and before reaching the hut. Also, as he reached the hermit, he asked him the questions, but hermit didn't reply. He just welcomed the king, and as he was digging the ground, he continued digging the ground. The hermit was old and weak, so seeing him tired, king helped the hermit in digging the ground. And as he was digging the ground, he asked the hermit about the three questions, but still hermit didn't answer the question. Later, a bearded man who was wounded came to them. King and hermit both helped him and cured him. At the end, as king was tired of digging the ground and taking care of wounded men, so he slept in hermit's house. Now we will continue further reading of our chapter. We will continue reading further with the chapter. "Forgive me," said the bearded man in a weak voice, when he saw the king was awake. "I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for," said the king. "You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you, because you put my brother to death and seized my property. I knew you had gone alone to see that hermit, and I made up mind to kill you and on your way home. But the day passed and you did not return. So I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard, who recognized me and wounded me. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wounds. I wished to kill you, and you have saved my life. Now, if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant and will order my sons to do the same. Forgive me." So, as the king was awake, the bearded man who was wounded asked him for forgiveness. Means he said sorry to the king. The king said, "I don't know you. Then why should I accept your sorry? I have nothing to forgive you." Then the bearded man narrated the story that you don't know me, but I know you. You are my enemy. Why? Because the king killed the bearded man's brother and seized my property. Seized means to take over, to take the property of the person forcefully. So to take the revenge, this bearded man was waiting for the king, so that as he comes out of hermit's house he would kill him, but he did not come. So the bearded man left his hiding place and came up to a bodyguard recognized the bearded man, so he stabbed him. He tried to harm him. for that the bearded man escaped, and he would have died because he was very much wounded. So he would have died if the king and the hermit would have not helped him and not taken care of him. So the bearded man realized that he wished to kill the king, and the king has saved his life. So he said that he would be the most faithful servant of the king forever for his life. Now, what did king replied? That is the main. The king was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. He not only forgave him but said he would send his servants and his own doctor to look after him, and he promised to give back the man his property. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out of the hut and looked around for the hermit. Now, what did king do? King was very happy that even he does not know that he has an enemy, he has made friendship with an enemy. That is also very easily. He didn't do anything, and so that time he decided that he would give back all the property of man back. And after leaving the wounded man, he went out of the house to see the hermit. Now, what was hermit doing? Before going away, he wished once more to get the answers of his question. The hermit was on his knees sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. The king went up to the hermit and said, "For the last time, I beg you to answer my question, wise man." So, as he got sorted out with the wounded man, he went out to see the hermit. Now, what was hermit doing? Hermit was laying down seeds in the ground which he digged last day. The king requested the hermit that please for the last time answer my questions. Because he was very curious to know the answer of the question. So he again requested the hermit to please answer the questions.